Hello everybody. Children, in the previous classes we learnt how to add the numbers and also how to subtract the numbers by making 10. So by this we completed block number 5. So in today's class let us begin new block, that is block number 6, addition and subtraction facts. In that today we are learning lesson number 1, addition facts. See, our today's topic is addition facts. ADDITION facts. What are these addition facts and also what are the addition facts for the numbers 1 to 10? Let us learn in today's class. Children, I am writing some addition sentences. Just observe it. 0 plus 4, that is equals to 4. 1 plus 3, that is also equals to 4. 2 plus 2, that also equals to 4. 3 plus 1, that is also equals to 4. Now observe all the addition sentence, children. Here in all these addition sentence we got the same answer, that is 4. In all the addition sentences here, all the addition sentences are adding up to the same number, that is 4. So this set of addition sentences which add up to the same number, these are nothing but addition facts. These are nothing but addition facts. So addition facts of a number is nothing but addition facts of a number is a group of addition sentences which add up to the same number. I am going to repeat once again. Addition fact is nothing but addition fact of a number is a group of addition sentences which add up to the same number. Here we got the answer 4. Same answer we got in all these addition sentences. So these are nothing but addition facts of 4. See here, in all the additions we got the answer 4 now. So this group of addition sentence is nothing but addition facts of 4. Now in this class let us learn all the addition facts from 1 to 10. All the number addition facts, that is from 1 to 10, let us learn in this class. Now let us see how to write the addition facts for the numbers 1 to 10. See 1. See these two are the addition facts of 1. 1 plus 0, that is equals to 1, and 0 plus 1, that is also is equals to 1. Here we are getting the same answer 1. See both the addition sentences adding up to the same number, that is 1. So these two are the addition facts of 1. Now addition facts of 2. 2 plus 0, that is equals to 2. 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. And 0 plus 2 equals to 2. So these three are the addition facts of 2. Here all these addition sentences are adding up to the same number, that is 2. So these three are the addition facts of 2, children. Remember it. Now let us learn the addition facts of 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals, here 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 0 plus 3, that is also equals to 3. Here also all the addition sentences are adding up to the number, same number, that is 3. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 3. Now let us learn the addition facts of 4. So which are the addition facts of 4? Here 4 plus 0 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. And 0 plus 4, that is also equals to 4. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 4. Here all these addition sentences are adding up to the same number, that is 4. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 4. Now let us see which are the addition facts of 5. Here 5 plus 0 equals 5, 4 plus 1 equals 5, 3 plus 2 equals 5, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 1 plus 4 equals 5, and also 0 plus 5 equals to 5. Here in all these addition sentences also we are adding up to the same number, that is 5. We got the same answer 5. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 5. Now let us see the addition facts of 6. So which are the number if we add to get the answer? See, let us see. 6 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 1 plus 5 and 0 plus 6. So if we add these numbers, we will get the same answer, that is 6. Here also all these addition sentences are adding up to the same number, that is 6. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 6. Now let us see how to write the addition facts of 7. Which are the addition facts of 7? Let us see now. See, which are the numbers if we add to get the answer 7? Let us see now. See, 7 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 1 plus 6 and 0 plus 7. If we add all these numbers, we will get the answer 7. So, here also we are adding up to the same number, that is 7. So, these are the addition facts of 7. Now, let us see what are the addition facts of 8 now. See the addition facts of 8. 8 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 1 plus 7 and 0 plus 8. So these are the addition facts of 8. Here also we are adding up to the same number. In all these addition sentences, it is adding up to the same number, that is 8. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 8. Now let us see what are the addition facts of 9 now. See, 9 plus 0, it was 9, 8 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 3 plus 6, 2 plus 2 plus 7, 1 plus 8 and 0 plus 9. So if we add these set of numbers, we will get the answer 9. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 9. Here also all the addition sentences are adding up to the same number, that is 9. So these group of addition sentences are nothing but addition facts of 9. Now let us see what are the addition facts of 10 now. See, 10 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 3 plus 7, 2 plus 8, 1 plus 9 and 0 plus 10. So if we are keeping on add these pair of numbers, we will get the answer 10. So in this also, in these addition sentences also, we are getting the same answer, that is 10. All these addition sentences are adding up to the same number, that is 10. So these are nothing but the addition facts of 10. I hope children you have understood how to write the addition facts for the numbers 1 to 10. Now let us see some questions. Here some vases are there. Okay. Now we have to write the addition sentence for both the pictures. Okay. Now count how many big vases we have there. 4. And how many small? 2. 4 plus 2, that is equals to what? 6. So this is nothing but an addition sentence for this picture. Now let us write one more addition sentence for this picture also. See first how many fish there? 2 fish and one more. 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. So this is the addition sentence for this picture. Now children, one more question, that is we have to write any two addition facts for the given number of things. We have to write any two addition facts for the given number of things. Here first, see how many erasers we have here? 2 erasers. And how many pencils? 3. 2 plus 3, that is equals to what? 5 things we have got. All together we have got 5 things. So let us write one more addition facts. First let us take the number of pencils first. 3 plus 2, that is also is equals to 5. So here we got 2 addition facts, that is addition facts of 5. Now let us see one more picture. Here one ball and 2 umbrellas we have. So for this picture also we have to write any 2 addition facts. Okay. Now one ball and how many umbrellas? 2 umbrellas. 1 plus 2 is equals to what? 3. Now let us write in reverse order. Now let us take umbrellas first. 2 umbrellas and 1 ball. That is also is equals to 3 only. Now here we got 2 addition facts of 3. See children, in your textbook page number 43, addition facts for 12 and addition facts for 14 are given. So just go through the textbook to learn the addition facts for 12 and also addition facts for 14. Children, now let us solve the practice questions which is given in your textbook. First one is write the addition sentence for the picture. See, here one picture is given. You need to write the addition sentence for this picture, children. First, count the number of squares in the first group. So, how many squares are there in the first group? Let us count, okay, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the first group. Then plus, how many in the second group? 2 squares in the second group. So, altogether how many? 6 plus 2 altogether? 8 squares are there altogether. So, this is the required addition sentence for this picture, children. Second question is, write any 5 addition facts for 13. So, how to write the addition facts for 13? Let us learn. Children, before we write the addition facts for 13, first let us list out all the numbers which are less than 13. Here, I have listed out the numbers which are less than the number 13. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, these are the numbers which are less than 13. See here, check it among these numbers, which are the numbers add up to the number 13? See, check it. The numbers like 1 and 12 add up to the number 13. So, let us write 1 plus 12. So, these two numbers add up to the number 13. Then see the next numbers, next pair of numbers which add up to the number 13. That is 3 and 10. See, 3 and also 10 add up to the number 13. Now, let us check one more pair of numbers which add up to the number 13. That is 4 and 9. See, even 4 and 9 also add up to the number 13. Then see, the next number is 2 and 11. See, even 2 and 11 also add up to the number 13. Then see, check it, next pair, the pair which add up to the number 13, that is 5 and 8. Even 5 and 8 will also add up to the number 13. Here we got 5 addition facts for 13. Here all the addition sentences add up to the same number 13. So, these are the addition facts for 13. Our third question is, write 2 addition facts for the following situation. Okay, here they have given one situation, 10 crayons and 5 pens. So, how to write the addition fact for this situation? First, let us add 10 crayons and 5 pens to get one addition fact. See, that is 10 crayons plus 5 pens, altogether 15 things. Okay, next let us write the number of pens first, after that number of crayons. See, 5 pens first, 10 crayons, altogether 15 things only. Here we got 2 addition facts for the same situation. Children, I hope you have understood how to do the practice questions. So, try to do these practice questions in the rough book. Thank you.